Come down a little.
This week on Stubborn Grit.
His wife and he are building a house together. Sweat equity. It's like a marriage workshop. Build the dream. How hard can it be? How long will it take? They don't have a clue. They're doing it themselves. Ignorance is bliss. Will they survive? Will their teenagers thrive? What's wrong with you people? Are they crazy? Maybe. Dream big. Don't quit. Stubborn grit.
Blue skies. Beautiful morning. Drilled our first holes here. We have 2 more set this area. These are full of water. That one's full of water too. Yep. Gonna finish drilling these holes and then clearing out all the dust. Don't want to breathe that stuff. Here come the goats for the day. When I come out, they come out. Or soon thereafter. Miss that one goat that's always escaping. She does what she wants to do. Goes where she wants to go. Blue skies. Beautiful blue skies. So first thing today, we double checked all the hardware, measuring all the parts and confirming gray marks. All the brackets include big through bolts and mounting screws. The interior brackets also have the big anchor screws, since they're not wet set like the perimeter brackets.
Come down a little.
How's that?
Good.
Still good?
Mm-hmm.
So we're just drilling out a couple inches on this side to hopefully catch the bit as we drill through from the other side. 2 inches.
Tad bit high, like a smidge high. Come down a little. Yep, that looks good.
That's level.
Down a little.
This bit doesn't seem to be sharp.
Yeah.
I don't know how it dulled in like soft wood.
That was pretty good.
First one bolted in.
No washer for this side.
This has a built-in washer in the neck.
Yeah, a little bit.
So now the first posts have been drilled and bolted in. I'm using a can of compressed air to help blow out all this concrete dust. We're just trying to make sure we have extra room beyond the length of the screw anchor. It rained the other day and filled that hole. Now I'm just wiping away any small rock chips and sand to help the brackets sit flat. All right. With that tape there, I can't see though. But I put pencil marks on the concrete. They're not all covered up. That should be good enough to get us in there. Get the other one on there first. Let's check our line, make sure we're close enough. That's about right. Yes! Somewhere there. Should be good. Okay. We're using more flashing tape, trying to isolate the metal bracket from the concrete, and this stuff sticks very well. We're working on the last two brackets, which are 12 foot apart. Each one sits next to an already installed bracket 6 feet away. Once we double check their positions in relation to each other, we'll drill the holes and screw them down. We just got the interior brackets set, all of them except for two. This wall line there is our straightest, most perfect line, and that's our benchmark on that end there, that bracket. But we've just measured all these from bracket to bracket, and they're all exactly the same, except for maybe towards the back, and then we're off by like maybe a 16th. But so yeah, we got them bolted in, but we were able to loosen up these bolts here and then knock it into place. Use these shims. They're color coded for 1/8, quarter, whatever. I marked on the plate, so that says like +1/4 there. And I use those shims to just to see how off the line it was. It worked out well. So it was this idea, I just slip this down in there and slide it, see if it moved it. Just set up some chairs to enjoy the sun setting. It's good to take breaks. So now we're working on these, installing the last two brackets here. So now I'm just getting a measurement between these brackets, 6 foot on center. I'm using one of my trim pieces again, just as a straight edge there. To measure from the inside of the 1/4 inch plate to the bracket. To the opposite end. Now do the same thing over here. Get this spaced out and drill these holes, and then we'll mount those brackets. So this vent has, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 posts on this one vent here. So we will have a LVL beam that goes all the way down. Now this will be individual beams. Simple span. They'll split over the posts instead of one continuous beam. Otherwise, that's a different, the loads are different when it's a continuous beam. So we just marked our last two brackets, right here and right here, and we're about to drill those. Then we'll be back to start raising these interior posts, and hopefully I won't hurt myself.